you want a travel trailers where you bring the outdoor to inside and the inside to outdoor. Well, this is what behind me is a brand new 2026 Apex 181RB Nano Off-Road. This is a new design, Coachmen Apex they made, which is it's a perfect travel trailers, and you could pull with your small SUV and a small truck. But the main purpose, because majority of the people when they go camping, what they do? They go sit underneath that awning and they barbecue, they sit, they chill, they play cars, they enjoy the outdoor. That's what's all about the RV, enjoying outdoor, family fun. And by doing that, they have a lot of time difficulty, walk inside the unit, grab things from inside, grab things from outside, back and forth. Where they're making it now is so easy. You could camp and you could grab this. You enjoy the view, you enjoy the outdoor, you enjoy the ocean view, you enjoy the forest, and that's what is the trailer. Plus, the two main reasons why you need 181RB. It is full walk-around queen bed in the front, full dinette, as well as the dry weight of this unit only 3378. So the dry of this 181RB Coachmen Apex Nano, only 3378. So 3,378 dry weight. So a small 5,000 pound, 6,000 pound vehicle, they will pull this unit, no question asked. Even if you have a vehicle towing rating 5,000, so rating 5,000, dry weight 3,378. So I have almost 1,600 pound to play, so you have no problem to pull it behind a small vehicle. So the walk around bed, big bathroom in the back, outdoor living as you see, full dinette, and the weight only 3378 pound. Now, a lot of people, they're gonna ask me questions. What is the over length of this unit? So this unit, they call it 181RB model, but from head to toes only is a 21.5. So tip to tip, 21 feet and 5 inches. Now, let's go talk about the new features of the Apex Nano 181RB. Nice thing is that 8 foot wide. Some of them, they make it shorter. Nice big view window on the front. Automotive, so no worries. It's already driven 2,400 miles to get here. Nice LED lights in the front. 2 propane tank with the cover rather than 1 tank. Nice Dalmatians in the top. Power awning with LED lights. Pass-through storage with 200 watt solar panel on the roof and 30 amp controllers. Nice glass door. 2-step to get in, more ride. And this is what the nice thing about it is, the outdoor over here. So you have a nice TV outside, you have a nice storage, you have a counter here. I could tell the wife, could you pass me some salt and peppers? Could you give me a can of beer? Could you? So the beauty about it. Also, I'm gonna open the awning. Give me 1 second, please. Awning extend. Now I'm opening the awning so you have the idea how it look like when you open the awning and you have this beautiful outdoor living, where you have a countertop where you put things on it, like, when you're fixing your barbecue or you're cooking something, and you have the nice shade. You have, imagine facing this unit, ocean or river or nice, beautiful outdoor. So you could see right here, I opened the power awning, and I could be sitting here enjoying a breakfast. So I could be sitting here enjoying a breakfast and enjoying my family members, or joining the outdoor and bring nice fresh air. You worry about the bugs. This one is also equipped with a screen door, so you could let the, give me 1 second. Yeah. So you could fresh air. So you see the fresh air and the screen, so the bugs will not coming in. You want privacy at night. and you could stick your head like this. So this is the beauty about the Apex 181RB. So let me go outside and show you another features. Already come with the grilling here, so you could put a grill and cook outside. Off-road tires, that's the reason why we call it Nanos off-grid, because these are the off-road tires. Going over here, you have a spare tires and a cover, backup camera prep, endless hot water heater, outside shower, hot and cold, sandy flush, city water connection, 30 amp cord. This is the valve for the gray water tank and the black water tank. Pass-through storage. And you could see that extra room. The unit already comes with a 200-watt solar panel on the roof. So let's go inside and show you the new 181RB in this unit, because the unit speaks for itself. So if when you walk inside, what I really like about this unit, it comes already with a full queen bed. So easy, I could sleep 2 people here, there's no question asked. And so there's 2 people, they could sleep here. A lot of storage around it. Where he's standing, my cameraman, there's a shelf over there. I could put a TV with a bracket. So if I put a swing bracket and a 32-inch TV, I could swing it and I could still watch the TV from the bed. Because that's the first question they're going to ask me. Do you have a TV hookup in the living area? Yes. I put a swing bracket, 32-inch TV. I could swing it this way, or I could leave it and tilt it so I could watch it from the counter. Back to the queen bed. Beautiful closet with a shelf. And by the way, the unit comes with outside grill. Matter of fact, the grill is right there. Come with it. So you could barbecue, you have counter space, you have TV, you have a can openers, you have a storage. And all, if you don't want to open it, you don't have to. So both storage on both sides. Nice shelf over here for water bottles, USB, breathing machines, CPAP machines, USB plugs for laptop, iPhone, and so on, iPad. Going over here, look how roomy it is. It's 18 foot, but it's roomy. Super roomy. I mean, look here. Kitchen, and they give you everything. So here's a lot of storage where you put your silverware. You have fantastic fan. And this fantastic fan is you could turn it on. So if you're cooking something has like bacon or spices and you want the smell to go out, you open that fan and that will bring the fresh air to you and suck the smell out. Or just if you want to turn it like a full house fan, same thing. They use a country sink with a nice gold faucets or brass. This countertop, this sink cover, you could use it as a counter, as a cutting board. Or you could use it as a counter space to add more counter. So give you a nice prepping area around the sink. Silverware doors, more storage. More storage. This is convection electric microwave. So it's electric oven with the air fryer. Come with the air fryer. You could use it as electric oven, air fryers, or microwave. And this is your furnace with the thermostat against the walls right here. And then they give you the biggest refrigerator, which is the 10.7 cubic foot. Again, 12 volt, no worries because I already have 200-watt solar panel on the roof. Pantry, as you see, beautiful pantry over here. You could put your cereal, canned food. I love those 2 chairs. They're so comfy. Ah, nice. Now, they give you a USB plugs as well 110. Now, the advantage of this counter, here, let me remove this mouse pad. I call them big mousing pad. You can see how beautiful the counter. It gives you ability to do 2 things. Use it as a dining table, counter with chairs. So this is your dining table, so you could put your food and feed 2 people. Also, if your husband cooking barbecue outside, he could pass you the meat and eat. That's another advantage for this, if there's barbecue grilling and so on. Also, you could use it as an office. So if your husband or the wife, she work from home, and she bring work with her to the campground, she could put her laptop here, hook it up with 110 USB, and do business. So you could put your computer here, you could put your laptop, or you could put your food. So this is the multi-function counter space. And again, as we said, if you don't want this window to be open, you could close this very easy. You just bring it in down and close it. Matter of fact, I want to show you. It's very easy. So open the latch first, please. And then done. So if you don't want to open the window, that's fine. You don't have to open the window. But this will give you the idea how it looks like when the window closes. Going over here, you have a bracket, as we talk about it. You have a portable Bluetooth speaker. You could take it inside, outside, and you could listen to your music. Alpine, good brand. Going to the bathroom. Wow, that's a huge. You have a nice sink with a medicine cabinet. Your toilet's no issue for legs. A lot of closets. Don't tell me you don't have a closet. There's a lot of closets. There's this big, plus the two around the beds. And more closet here. And the shower, you have a nice, easy to get in, standing shower with a nice big head. So this is the 181RB. Is perfect for 2 people chillers. That's their bed, heating, kitchen, bathroom, it's loaded. And also, it's very easy if I want to open this window. I want to demonstrate how it's easy to open. And I could do grilling, barbecue, and I could tell my wife, pass me the salt, honey, here's the meat. Lunch is ready. Folks, come to Best RV and grab this 181RB and pull it behind your small SUV, small van, small truck, because it's only weight 3378, 3,400 pounds, take and give, and your 5,000 pound vehicle will pull it, no question asked. Coming in.